Principle of operation of Profiline dishwashers. Miele dishwashers excel in terms of mature technology and simple handling. Before using the machine for the first time, salt and rinse aid are poured into the respective containers. At Miele, there are convenient containers for both products in the dishwasher door. From there, dispensing is automatic at regular intervals. Place a detergent tablet in the dispenser, select a program, and start the program. Dishwashing commences once water, hot or cold, has entered the cabinet through the water inlet mixer. A flow meter monitors water intake and ensures that the correct amount of water enters the cabinet. To ensure perfect, gentle cleaning results, it is necessary to control water hardness. The water softener integrated into every Miele dishwasher converts hard water into soft water. Technically speaking, this is what happens. Calcium and magnesium ions are removed from the water and replaced by sodium ions. To ensure a sufficient supply of sodium at all times, the softener is periodically reactivated using salt. From the softener, the softened water enters the sump in the cabinet. The electronic commercial-grade pump with an integrated heater element heats the water and forces it through the spray arms. The cleaning phase begins. Detergent is added. The water from the spray arms impacts the crockery to remove even the most stubborn soiling. As water drains off the load, it passes through the filter combination. 3 special-purpose filters remove particles of soil before the water re-enters the circulation system. At the end of the cleaning phase, water and removed soil collects in the sump, from where it is drained off by a separate pump. An intermediate rinse removes all traces of food and detergent residue. This is followed by the final rinse. Rinse aid blends with the water in circulation. Rinse aid or surfactant causes water to sheet and drain off more freely, producing streak-free and sparkling results. If additional drying has been selected, condensation drying now begins. 2 separate air circuits guarantee perfect drying results. Warm, damp air from the cabinet is passed into a condensation compartment. At the same time, cooler, ambient room air is drawn in and passed along both outer surfaces of the condenser. This air cools the surfaces and the air inside. As a result, moisture inside condenses. Condensate collects in the sump and is drained off at the end of the cycle. The demoisturized air is then recirculated throughout the cabinet and is reheated, making it able to absorb more moisture. The results: perfectly dried and sparkling crockery. Miele Profiline dishwashers. Faster, more powerful, more convenient.